The wavelength of UVA and UVB radiation range from 280 nanometer up to 400 nanometer. And in these questions, we need to calculate the lowest frequency of these two radiation. So it's given that speed of light goes to 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And we have this formula where speed is equals to frequency multiplied by the wavelength, which is lambda. And now we have this range of wavelength and we need to find the minimum frequency value. So as we can see, minimum frequency occurs when the wavelength is maximum. So, and we know that the maximum wavelength in this case here would be 400 nanometer. So the equation is straightforward. F is equals to C over lambda max. And of course this is F minimum. This will be equals to 3 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 400 nanometer. Of course this is meter per second. And then this gives 7.5 times 10 to the power 14 hertz. Alright, this is the answer.